Hey guys, it's Hunter from Vance Outdoors, and I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite jig and how to use it. Alright guys, so this here is my favorite jig. This is a 5/16 ounce Baby Advantage jig by D&L Tackle. And I really like this jig because it is very versatile. You can flip it, you can cast it and slowly retrieve it over rocks. It's got a very unique head shape that, in my opinion, doesn't get snagged up as much. It's got a very stout hook. I very seldom lose fish on this hook. So I trailer this jig with a Zoom Super Chunk Junior. And this is my favorite trailer because when I work this bait, I like to pop it. And those pinchers flail up. It looks like a crawdad kind of running away from a fish. All right guys, so my rod and reel setup for this technique is a Shimano Curado K 201 HG. This is a 7:4:1 gear ratio. The rod is a loose speed stick, 7-foot 3-inch medium heavy. And this rod is great because I work this jig in a lot of rocks, and that rod tip's got a little bit of give in it that'll pull it right over those rocks. So the line I use when I'm using these jigs is 16-pound fluorocarbon. This is Sunline Sniper FC. This line is great because it's super stiff, there's no stretch in it, so when I set the hook, I get a good hook set. This line also sinks very fast, so I don't have to wait for my bait to get down to the bottom. And also it's virtually invisible underwater. So the way I work this bait with this Super Chunk Junior is I'm almost popping it. And what that's doing is that's flailing those crawl pinchers, and they love it. The key though is to make sure that this bait is on the bottom. You won't be catching any fish if you're just reeling in the middle of the water column. He was swimming with that one for a while. There's a fish. Oof. Oof. Should have bowed my rod tip down to him, but so guys, I keep getting hung up in this rock. So the biggest thing is to make sure to check your line and everything's good. And if you feel something, you gotta retie because you will break off like I have today. That was a hog. That was a hog. Here's one. There we go. Woo. Not a bad day today, guys. We caught a couple. I think that's going to be our last fish today, guys. Please follow along on all of our social media accounts. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment. Thank you guys for watching.